What is going on, guys? Figured I'd make a quick video. This one's gonna be kind of boring, so maybe I can make y'all laugh somehow. It has been raining here for the past couple days, just non-stop. And there's Alex messing with the Jaguars. Hey, hi, Alex. That's a pretty decent high. Look at that standing water. Anyways, that's probably the first time I've seen it like a little bit of daylight. I mean, I'm not kidding, this has been pouring. So I decided to put some junky clothes on, come on out here and try to do something productive, and I did. So the Mercury, who remembers the parts truck that I had? And remember, it had a hitch on the back. So at first I wasn't going to take the hitch because it was bent down, and I was thinking, oh man, someone's overloaded that hitch and they've messed it up and I don't want it. But then I got underneath of it and I found out that the hitch itself wasn't bent. What happened was the morons had used, look at these bolts, just tiny, just bolts. The hardware was way too small. You can see where the washers were like bending through the holes in the frame. I mean, incredible. It's amazing they didn't kill themselves or somebody else towing down the road. So here's what I did. After inspecting the hitch and realizing itself wasn't damaged, but the frame on the parts truck was, I realized I can use the hitch. Take a look. Got it all bolted on there. Guys, I didn't have to drill at all. This truck never had a hitch on. I can't tell the manufacturer of this particular one, but again, it couldn't have got any easier. I can't lie to you guys. It bolted right up. It was 6 bolts. But let me show you what I did. I want to do things right and not half-ass like that. So I ended up buying a bunch of bolts from the auto parts store, grade 8, and because I couldn't buy exactly how many I needed, I had a couple extras left. So as you can see, grade 8 is what I put it back up with, and then here's what I put it back up with. These are 1/2 inch, and on this particular hitch it fits through the hole perfect, nice and snug. And I've used double washers. Actually, if you see the top part, I did like this on both sides. So again, it's just some leftover that I had. But if you come over here, not like I want to really mess up my paint or anything, let's just kind of set it there. Oh, work truck, I guess doesn't matter. But look at the difference in the size of that hardware. I mean, hopefully whatever they were towing just didn't weigh that much. But I've got it back up. Oh, yeah, didn't scratch nothing. I got it all bolted up there proper, and not like I'm going to be towing too much with it. Rumor has it these old Mercuries can tow more than the new F350s. You basically have to have like an F550 to step up to this beast's world, because she's a monster. It's back when they built real trucks, not this shit they're putting out today. Look at that. I might have to start up a business where I haul cars for a living. I can get like a 3-car trailer somehow and just tow these sons of bitches with this magnificent piece of machinery. Anyways, more vids to come, guys, or videos. I just want to do this real quick. I'm going to go inside, kick off my shoes, and grab a bite to eat. Take a shower, because as you can see, even though I laid down a tarp, I got soaking wet and muddy doing this job, but I feel kind of good. Got something productive done. Alright, guys. Got a customer truck over there. Gonna get started on that tomorrow, so you guys have a good one.